Topic 5. Adjustment at the end of accounting period. Correcting entry. Correcting entry. Errors affecting tribe balance. An error in journal. The entry has not been posted. Error not affecting tribe balance. Missed the transaction. Journal entry is correct. However, you make a mistake while posting to Ledger. Mistake misstated. Error in a journal entry that has already been posted. Both journal and ledger are incorrect. Mistake reciprocity. Error principle. Example 1. Freak out 1,600 ringgit has been included in general expense. Recorded transaction. We recorded in general expense 1,600, but we do not record in freak out. Both are expense account. Normal balance on the debit side. Since general expense is overstated, therefore have to minus 1,600 and have to add 1,600 to freak out as it is understated. General expense 1,600 minus 1,600 to become 0, and freak out has to add 1,600 as it is understated. Adjusting entry, debit freak out 1,600 ringgit. Credit general expense 1,600. The description will be to record adjusting entry for freak out. Examples 2. Buying furniture 10,000 ringgit in cash was recorded with the value of 1,000 ringgit. Recorded transaction, trial balance partial, furniture plus 1,000 ringgit, cash minus 1,000 ringgit. Both are assets accounts. Normal balance on debit. Both are understated. Buy furnitures asset increase, we debit. So add or debit another 9,000 ringgit. Buy furnitures paid cash asset decrease, we credit. Or minus or credit another 9,000 ringgit. Adjustment, try balance partial. Furnitures, we add another 9,000 ringgit to become 10,000. Cash, we minus another 9,000 ringgit to becomes 10,000. Adjusting entry, therefore, debit furnitures 9,000 ringgit. Credit cash 9,000 ringgit. Therefore, the description will be to record adjusting entry for understated amount. Example 3. Receive commission 1,500 ringgit in cash was recorded as follows. Recorded transaction. Commission revenue debit 1,500 ringgit and credit cash 1,500 ringgit. Both journal entry are incorrect. Commission revenue is a revenue. Revenue increase on credit, but we recorded on debit. Cash and asset increase we debit, but we recorded on credit. Recorded transaction, try balance partial, commission revenue. Commission revenue we wrongly record on debit. Therefore, when we record on credit, we put a minus sign. with the amount of 1,500 ringgit. Meanwhile, cash, we wrongly record on credit. Therefore, when we record on debit, we put a minus sign with the amount of 1,500 ringgit. Received commission is a revenue. Revenue increase on credit, recorded on debit. To correct or to cancel the transaction, we have to make the amount become zero. But how? By crediting another 1,500, adjusting entry, try balance partial, commission revenue minus 1,500 plus 1,500 to become zero. Cash received an asset, asset increase on debit, recorded on credit. To correct or to cancel the transaction, we have to make the amount to become zero. But how? By debit another 1,500, adjusting entry, try balance partial, cash, we minus 1,500, we plus 1,500, then the amount become zero. Adjusting entries, now we have cancelled both accounts. Both accounts become zero amount. Try balance partial. Commission revenue minus 1,500 plus 1,500 to become zero. Cash minus 1,500 plus 1,500 to becomes zero. Record the correct entry. Received commission is a revenue. Revenue increase on credit. Credit commission revenue 1,500. Try balance partial. Commission revenue, we add another 1,500 on credit side. Record the correct entry. Cash received an asset. Asset increase on debit. Debit cash 1,500 ringgit. Try balance partial. Cash, we add another 1,500 ringgit on debit side. Adjusting entry. Try balance partial. Commission revenue. We wrongly debit means credit with a minus sign. To make the amount to become zero, we have to credit 1,500. Then we record the correct amount. We credit another 1,500. Therefore, we credited total amount of 3,000 ringgit. Cash, we wrongly credited. So, when we debited, we write with the minus sign. To cancel the amount to become zero, we have to debit 1,500. To write the correct amount, we debit another 1,500. Therefore, total amount debited will be 3,000 ringgit. Therefore, received commission 1,500 ringgit in cash was recorded as follows. Debit cash 3,000 ringgit. Credit commission revenue 3,000 ringgit. The description will be to record the adjusting entry for commissions revenue. Example 4. Pay 2,000 ringgit in cash for repairs and damaged vehicle were recorded as follows. Recorded entry, try balance partial, vehicle plus 2,000 ringgit debit, cash minus 2,000 ringgit debit. Debit vehicles account is incorrect. Should record in repairs and maintenance account as an expense. Credit cash account is correct as cash paid asset decreased. Record the correct entry. Cancel the vehicle accounts. But how? Vehicle accounts have to become zero amount. Buy credit vehicle another 2,000 ringgit. So therefore, try balance partial vehicle plus 2,000 ringgit minus 2,000 ringgit to becomes zero. Record the correct entry. Repairs and maintenance and expense. Expense increase debit. Debit repairs and maintenance 2,000 ringgit. Try balance partial repairs and maintenance 2,000 ringgit. Amendment made. Try balance partial vehicle wrongly debited for 2,000 ringgit. To cancel, we have to minus 2,000 ringgit to become zero. Then record the right entry, repairs and maintenance 2,000 ringgit. Adjusting entry, try balance partial, repair and maintenance, debit 2,000 ringgit. Credit vehicle 2,000 ringgit. The description will be to record adjusting entry for repairs and maintenance. See you in the next part of this chapter.